Did you know that studies show prolonged extreme fasting can slow your metabolism by up to 20%, and in some cases trigger serious hormonal imbalance? Yet millions of people are still trying it, hoping for faster results. But what's the real cost of extreme fasting? Extreme fasting techniques are rapidly gaining popularity in health and wellness communities. From multi-day water fasts to aggressive calorie restriction, many people believe these methods are shortcuts to weight loss, mental clarity, and longevity. But behind the hype, there's a deeper story that needs to be told. While fasting itself has well-documented benefits, extreme fasting pushes the body beyond its natural limits. Common risks include nutrient deficiencies, muscle loss, fatigue, dizziness, and weakened immunity. For some individuals, extreme fasting can also lead to hormonal disruption, anxiety, or disordered eating patterns. The real challenge is this: where do we draw the line between discipline and damage? Let's take a closer look at some of the most common extreme fasting methods. Extended water fasting involves consuming no calories for several days. Supporters claim increased mental clarity and detoxification. Others practice severe intermittent fasting windows, sometimes eating just once every 24 to 48 hours. Many who try these methods report short-term results, such as rapid weight loss or heightened focus. However, long-term experiences often reveal side effects like energy crashes, emotional instability, and difficulty sustaining normal eating habits. Here's the most surprising finding from research and real-life testimonials. The body adapts, but not always in a healthy way. Instead of becoming stronger, the body may enter survival mode, slowing metabolism and conserving fat. Several people who practiced extreme fasting for months reported rebound weight gain and long-term health struggles. What began as a quest for wellness sometimes ended with physical and mental exhaustion. Extreme fasting isn't inherently evil, but it's not a miracle solution either. The key takeaway is balance. Fasting can be powerful when practiced responsibly, but pushing the body too far often leads to unintended consequences. Have you ever tried fasting, extreme or moderate? Share your experience in the comments below. And if you want safer, sustainable health strategies, check out our next video on healthy eating habits that actually work.